All right, let's talk about something that affects a ton of people, astigmatism. If you have it, you know exactly what I'm talking about, that frustrating, blurry view of the world. But here's the thing. Getting the right pair of glasses isn't just a simple fix, it's a total game changer. So let's get into how they actually work.
So let me ask you something. Have you ever been driving at night and the headlights from other cars, or even just street lights, seem to explode into these big starbursts? You know, with streaks of light shooting out from them? It's a super common experience. And for a lot of people, it's the very first clue that they have the condition we're going to break down today.
Yeah, that starburst effect, and just the general blurriness that you might notice, it's not just some weird little quirk of your eyes. It's the main symptom of a condition called astigmatism. So what's really going on in there that's causing this?
Okay, I want you to picture a perfectly round basketball. That's kind of like cornea without astigmatism. It focuses light onto one single sharp point. Now, imagine someone squished that ball just a little bit so it's shaped more like a football. Well, that's basically an eye with astigmatism. Because of that uneven curve, the light that comes into your eye doesn't focus correctly. It just scatters, and that's what creates that signature blur.
So if the problem is basically a football-shaped eye, how in the world do you fix it? Well, the solution is a really clever piece of optical engineering that's built right into your glasses.
The hero of this whole story is something called the cylindrical lens. Now, this isn't your standard everyday lens. It is precisely shaped to counteract the unique, specific curve of your eye. What it does is it grabs all those scattered light rays and bends them back into formation, forcing them to land on a single sharp point on your retina. I mean, this is the core technology that makes clear vision possible for millions.
Okay, so we know we need a cylindrical lens. But when you're actually ordering glasses, you're suddenly faced with this whole menu of options. So let's break down the most important choices you're going to have to make about the lens itself, the material, and what it's designed to do.
This table really simplifies the big decisions. So if you just need help with one distance, say for driving, or maybe just for reading, single vision lenses are your best bet. But if you need help seeing far away and you're starting to get that age-related blur when you try to read things up close, then progressive lenses are what you want. They do both. Then you've got materials. Polycarbonate is the tough, lightweight standard for most people. But if you have a stronger prescription, high-index lenses are the way to go to keep them from getting too thick.
Let's actually focus on this choice between materials for a second, because it really matters. For most folks with mild or moderate astigmatism, polycarbonate is perfect. It's super durable and it's light. But, and this is a big but, if your prescription is stronger than plus or minus 4.0, high-index lenses are without a doubt the better option. They just bend light more efficiently, which means you get all that corrective power packed into a lens that's way thinner and way lighter.
Now, beyond the basic lens type, there are customizations that can make a huge difference. And these aren't just, nice-to-have features. For people with astigmatism, they can be absolutely essential for getting the sharpest vision possible.
And here it is. This is the solution to that starburst problem we talked about at the very beginning. An anti-reflective coating is specifically designed to get rid of that glare. It cuts down on the reflections that cause those distracting and honestly sometimes dangerous halos around lights. If you have astigmatism and you drive at night, this is not an upgrade. It's a necessity. It's for your safety and your comfort.
To get all of this right, we've got to look at your prescription. It's not just one number. For astigmatism, there are two critical values that tell the lab exactly how to create your perfect lenses.
First up is the cylinder, or CYL. This number is pretty straightforward. It just tells you the strength of the lens power you need to fix your astigmatism. So, a higher CYL number just means you need a stronger correction. Simple enough, right?
The second value is the axis, and this is every bit as important. It tells the lab the precise orientation, the exact angle on a scale from 1 to 180 degrees, where they need to place that correction. So think of it this way. If the cylinder is the strength of the fix, the axis is the direction. If that angle is even a tiny bit off, your vision just won't be sharp.
And this quote just sums it up perfectly. You absolutely have to have both of those values for clear vision. The cylinder gives you the power, the axis gives you the placement. Together, they're the blueprint for a lens that perfectly matches the unique shape of your eye.
So, I know that was a lot to digest. Let's boil it all down to the essentials. Think of this next slide as your personal checklist, your game plan, to make sure you get exactly what you need when you talk to your optician.
Here it is. Number 1, figure out your main use. Are you a single vision person or do you need progressives? 2,
Know your lens material based on your prescription. Polycarbonate for most, high index for stronger ones. 3. Insist on an anti-reflective coating, especially if you drive at night. And number 4, make sure your prescription has both the CYL for strength and the axis for the angle. If you go in armed with this knowledge, you can walk into that office feeling totally confident.
So you see, getting the right glasses for astigmatism isn't just guesswork. It's about understanding a few key parts. Once you know what you need and what technology is out there, you can finally trade in those blurry starbursts for a world of incredible sharpness and clarity. So, are you ready to see the world in high definition?